Here I have VIVO S1 PRIME, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject a SIM card and SD card slot, which is located here at the upper edge of the screen. You just have to put a tool inside the hole next to the slot, and the slot will come out. And here you have to put your SD card, and next to it you put your SIM card, and then put it back to your device. And as you can see, it requires PIN for my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is read. Let's enter PIN. And it also there is a notification that SD card spotted, found it on this device, which is the proof for that SD card is read too. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.